Hi guys, Melissa Newell here with One Hot Bite. Want incredible recipes right at your fingertips? Tune in every Thursday for a new recipe with easy application that we can make together for your whole family or the dorm room. Let's bring the art of cooking back home. Healthy can be delicious. In a quick 20 minutes, we'll bring all the flavors to your table. After being a fitness trainer for the last 16 years and working with hundreds of men and women, I know just what you need. So tune in here every Thursday for the most satisfying recipes that we can make together and you can refer back to again and again. So you'll never miss another incredible bite right here at One Hot Bite. Like, comment, subscribe. I really want to hear from you. I'll see you Thursday.